So guys, basic double rewind gauge 24, 9 turns. So dalawang beses natin uulitin yung 9 turns. So kung makikita nyo rito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ito yung gumawa na ako ng isa, dalawa. So kulang na lang tayo ng isa pa para dun sa unang pattern dito sa kulay itim. So ulitin natin to, 1 to 9. 1, 1, tulak nyo lang, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Ito na tayo, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito na tayo, 6 sa ilalim, 6 sa ibabaw. Ulit. 6. Oops. 6. 6, 7, 7. Tulak nyo lang pagka wala sa linya. Gaya nyo, nawawala siya sa linya. Kailangan meron kayong panulak. Yun. Eight, 8. Tulak muli kasi medyo nawala siya ron sa linya niya. Kasi kailangan pare-parehas. And 9. So nakumpleto na natin tong first rewind. Ito, kayasin nyo uli ha. Hindi ko na siya kakayasin para mabilis tayo. Ngayon, proceed tayo sa second rewind. Sinabit ko uli, umpisa natin uli ito. Second rewind na, itong color red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, 1, 1, pumatong tayo ron. Dali lang, nahulog. Dali lang. Tulak ko lang uli. So ganyan talaga pagka mga double rewind, triple rewind, hulog talaga yan. 2. So kailangan medyo magaang yung pag-rewind nyo. 2, 3. Sorry. Dang. Yung lamesa, huwag mo sipain. Huwag mo sipain. 3. 3. Then balik tayo rito. Four. Ito naman tayo, 4. 4. Then 5. And 5. 5 tayo ron sa taas. Yan. 5. Ngayon 6 para ron sa pyramid. 6. Ito na ngayon yung 6 dito sa baba at 7 dito. Pababa mo na dyan. Ayan na. Yan ang itsura niya. Ito na yung 6. Ayan na yung 6. Ayan na yung 7. 7. Ito na yung 8. Ito na yung 8 sa ibabaw. Ito na 8. O last 9. Tayo dyan sa 9. Ayan. Bali meron ka ditong 1, 2, 3. So nakompleto mo na to. Kompleto na tayo sa second rewind. Ngayon, kaskasin nyo uli yan. Bago nyo isabit ha. Hindi ko na gagawin. Kayo na lang gumawa. Dito naman tayo. Ganun ulit. Ulitin natin to. At saka ito. 1 1 2 3 4. Balik ka dun ha. 4. Andito ka. Tapos yung 4 dun, nandito pa siya. 5 dito sa taas para mabuo mo yung pyramid mo rito. Ngayon 6, bubuo ka ngayon ng pyramid. 6. Dito ka ngayon sa taas, 6 ulit. Oops, parang nahulog. Ayun. Pyramid. Ayan na. 6. Dito na tayo, 7. 7 sa taas, 8 sa baba, 8 sa taas, then last 9. 9. Kaskasin nyo uli yan. Kaskas. Gasgasan nyo. Bahala kayo kung paano nyo gagawin. Then sabit. Then last na tayo. Isa pa. Ulit-ulit. Para mabuo natin yung double rewind. Basic. Basic lang to ha. 1 2
I think we're going to do this and just going to make a base for the corset, and then I'm going to grab a small cube. I'm just going to try and add stuff on to make it look like a corset. This is good. I didn't think it through. I'm going to try and do the front bit and then maybe the ruffles, and we're going to yap off over this. So hello guys, is anyone else really excited for the Dress to Impress Charlie XCX?
Nahulog yung ano.
It's like one of the coolest Roblox collabs ever. I've never seen anything like it. It might already be out by the time I post this video. I'm not too sure, but if it is, let me know what you think of it down below. It's insane how like mainstream Dress to Impress has got. Like I swear, you see like celebrities play it, everyone seems to play it. Like Madison Booyah. Honestly, it's insane. I've never seen a Roblox game so why do the legs look like
Dito na
that?
tayo.
Why are they so short? And why are
So,
they
4.
built like that? Okay, listen to me. Let me explain.
4.
Basically, the legs were kind of
4
short,
tayo
and I
ron.
didn't notice until I finished. Like, this is how you dress.
5.
I couldn't edit them, so I had to try and make the shoes and stuff fit onto them like that. Okay, that is the best we're gonna get with those. Because
5.
I can't edit the legs, otherwise I'd have to
6.
put all this
Pyramid.
together. And also, we're gonna ignore the back as well. I didn't do the kind of design all the way around because that made that. So it's just a front, but this is what I've got. I'm gonna kind of go over how I made
Ito naman tayo sa baba.
this, and then we're gonna add all the pretty little bows.
6.
90% of this dress is made out of the
Yeah.
Oxford spear item because you can resize this so
6.
well into so many different shapes. So I used it
7.
for the corset, all the sleeves of the
7.
all the skirts
8.
are basic shapes, and then
8.
this is a little smooth cube, and then the little details on the dress. This is the standard round rod, but I've resized it and
Nine.
this is like the side of it. But apart from
So,
that,
ayan na.
everything else
Magawa na
is
tayo
good.
ng
So for this then, we're gonna add the bows on, and then we're gonna
double
use that.
rewind.
We also have to make like this little kind of
Basic lang to. Marami pang paraan para palakasin to.
neck. We need to do that
Dahil laruin nyo lang yan.
and then we can move on to our
Pag medyo sanay na kayo, laruin nyo yan. Lalakas at lalakas yan. Okay, yun lang.
the same method where I basically just turn this around.